The butterfly roll-up. So if you've done Pilates before, you've experienced a regular roll-up. But now taking this one step further. So if we place our legs in a butterfly position, we now take away the component of actually being able to press our legs into the floor. So now we have to really work on what's going on with the core. Starting from this position, arms are up, shoulder blades are back and down. Now from this position, remember the pelvis should be aiming straight line down, rib cage is braced in. Tuck under your tailbone as if you're lowering your tailbone down and pull in from your ribs, trying to lower down your spine as much as you can. The minute your feet start to move is where you stop. And then you work your way right back up again, aiming your tailbone and your pubic bone down to the floor and your shoulders back and down. So you tuck under, squeeze as tight as you possibly can, trying to take away the weight from your feet, and then work your way right back up. And with time and progression, you can work your way all the way down. I don't think I'm there yet, but we are working on it. Squeeze in and roll all the way up. This forces all three areas, your rectus, obliques, and transverse, to work together as a team to move you. So this is the ultimate team building exercise. Roll down, one vertebra at a time, pull in from the rib cage, keep the shoulders back, and then squeeze up, roll the shoulders back, and lift up, tailbone down. And that is a butterfly roll-up.